Right, Alistair, tell the listeners where we are today. We're at the top of Glencoe. I've been going to stop here a few years, I've never done it, but I have today. That's why. Get more majestic waterfalls. We've just came through Glencoe from Fort William. Take you up the hills there. I spotted some walkers earlier on, out with their dogs. I actually spotted a couple of deer away up the top of that mountain there. Intrepid deer. I suppose that's what they do. There you go. That's where we just came from. Glencoe, and there's somebody getting peeped their horn. It's a guy who just took his photograph. Not a bad lad. What's that, Alistair? Not a bad lad. Alistair again, I didn't see around today. We had a good day today. What's that? Alistair's wanting to take a photograph there. Right now. Pick up my binoculars in case you get blown over. There's a strong wind. There's the traffic. Oh, it's a bus. There you go. Fantastic waterfalls. It's the middle of summer, so there's not any snow up the hills. Most of the photographs I've taken in Glencoe are all of snow. Not today though. Plenty of grass because there's been plenty of rain. Plenty of ferns. Plenty of trees. And unfortunately plenty of traffic. But that's Glencoe after all, and that's what you expect. There's the mountains on the other side. Alistair said something I don't want to repeat. Alistair said something I don't want to repeat on the video. He says hurry up. He's wanting me to take a video of that girl there. There's something wrong with him just now. That's all he's thinking about. Something wrong with me because I'm going to waterfalls and all that stuff. What's actually happening? Right, catch you later.